back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble.
But I wanted to...
Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
Ooh, a blue planet. That's just covered in clouds, rain, and despair. Pleasant.
Add attention, you deserting maggot! The next time you soldiers try to go
I was never
AWOL,
here.
I'll shoot you out, sir.
I can't leave if I was never
You see
here.
those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble. Meet me at the city entrance.
Okay.
Needs our help.
Yeah?
Bye.
Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Okay, well, let's see what is to do on this planet. Ooh, grind rail. I like grind rail. Oh god. Yay, I'm like a dog jumping through hoops. How entertaining. Fucking tank everything. I'll be fine. There you go. Perfect. I don't know how well that would work. I would think like hitting it, the blast would like fuck you up, knock you off or something. Like, cause you are hitting a blunt explosive that can take health away from you. And you're just fucking whacking at it going, there you go, that's good enough. I'm fine. Bop, that's fucking good. But if you actually hit into it, you get hurt. I don't fully understand that, but...
Walt! Who are you? What are you doing?
I think I just got a skill
We
point
are
for
on a
not
mission
taking
to save
damage.
the galaxy.
Speak for yourself and put your hands down. You look ridiculous.
Actually, I don't care who you are. I've got to get the heck out of here. I joined the army to get money to go to college. I never knew I'd end up in a war. Go figure.
This is a noble cause, sir.
Noble my hiney. I just want to get home to my family. Here, I pulled this off a busted robot. Give me some bolts for bus fare and it's yours.
Okay.
Thanks a bunch.
There you go.
Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
Fucking jumps into the lake.
Supreme
Or
Executive Chairman Drek.
ocean,
As you can
I
see,
guess.
we're about to
Sea,
test our
ocean,
newest
something.
automated pilot's helmet.
It's definitely not a
This
lake.
helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech fighters using only their thoughts. Please enjoy the demonstration. We still have a few minor adjustments to make.
Whoa! If they ever get the kinks worked out of that thing, I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is that all you can think about? Drek this, Drek that? I got my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance
Fucking
of this
first world
situation,
problems.
you do have problems.
I got my
Yeah,
own
well,
shit to
if you're
do.
so smart, how come you fell
Own
for Quark's
problems.
stupid trick? Ah, forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
I think if I complete this area, they'd give me a location to another thing, which I technically need to do. Okay, this level is filled with lag. Because rain, enemies, explosions, overall just lag. You would think by the PS3, it's like, okay, yeah, PS3 can handle what they're doing. It's interesting though, in the second game, they show what their original plan for water was gonna be. And it was just a little like 4x4 like inch square. And that was their plan for water. And back on the older console, that was enough to completely lag and fuck over the console. To the point of crashing. But now, like, you can run it, no issues. It's not gonna break on you, so. But it's kind of interesting seeing how technology has changed in the last, like, well, this would have came out 2001, so 14 years. It's quite interesting to me, at least. There's gonna be some asshole that pops out of nowhere and gonna attack me. Really? Surprising. Because I know there is, or there should be one more enemy down there somewheres. Oh. Awesome. Shut up, bitch. Okay, now it's worthless. Fuck you, and dead. This is a lot more fun than the sewage. Ow. Okay guys, this isn't fun. This is painful. Please everyone be dead. Please. Okay, everyone's dead, which means I am not dying, like I probably should be. So far, I think I've died like 3 times at most in my first session of sitting down and playing this game, so not that bad overall. Hey, Sarge.
Blasted thing, it won't budge. I've tried everything I know short of nuclear weaponry. No, never mind.
Well, you tried.
He just debated nuclear
Not so
weaponry.
fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you. Aha! That ventilation shaft leads to the turret platform. Soldier, find a way to use that shaft to infiltrate the compound undetected. You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you. I intercepted this communique that you might find useful. Take it. I'm off to find my battalion. Good luck. Hello,
Thank you,
once again,
Sarge.
fellow blog. I hope this message finds you well. As many of you know, our home planet is no longer habitable. We've abandoned our factories, our laboratories, and our happy lives because of the encroaching pollution, leaving much behind. Fortunately, the nearby planets will supply us with all we need to create our new home, which is nearing completion. Once our scientists locate the ideal orbit, our new world will be perfect. So reserve your space now. Prime locations are filling up fast. Good day.
Now do you understand why we must stop him? He won't rest until he has destroyed every planet in the galaxy.
Yeah? Well, I got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger than the galaxy?
Well, different fish anyway.
No,
Look,
no.
didn't that
He
commando guy say we could
just
get
has a
into that
personal
compound?
like
Yes.
fight
by
with
using the
someone.
ventilation shaft. But we will
So
need
is it
something
really
special to work
bigger?
on that.
No.
Fine.
Is
Let's
it
get going.
personal?
We'll come back
Yes. Does it make
You
it
will
bigger
need
to
4
him?
Magnetrons magna boots to traverse
More
them.
than likely. Shut up, bitch. Don't care. What the? There was an enemy running on nothing. What the fuck? I'm just gonna accept it. I'm gonna accept it, and honestly, I think this is good enough for one sit down, at least for me personally. So, for anyone watching, thank you, and I will see you guys next time.